Welcome to HousePro Handyman Services, your trusted partner for all your residential and commercial property needs in New Brunswick. We are not your ordinary handyman service. We are a team of experienced and knowledgeable craftsmen committed to delivering exceptional solutions that set us apart from the rest. We take pride in offering same-day and next-day services, providing free quotes, and even offering virtual estimates, making your experience hassle-free and convenient. Our home improvement services cover a wide range, including interior repairs and renovations, exterior repairs and installations, electrical work, and much more. Whatever your project entails, HousePro Handyman Services has the expertise to get the job done to your satisfaction. HousePro Handyman Services was founded by a creative and talented mechanical engineer, driven by a passion for providing industry-leading handyman services in New Brunswick. We proudly serve communities such as Fredericton, Oromocto, Woodstock, St. John, Quispamsis, and many others across New Brunswick. If you're wondering whether we serve your area, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Reach out to us now at 506-406-0919. Your dream home or business transformation is just a call away.